In this video, learn how to create efficient command line tools in Python by integrating Claude's smart capabilities. Master the skills to enhance your productivity in software development with smarter CLI applications. Have you ever wondered why command line tools are so crucial in today's tech landscape? They're not just the domain of system administrators anymore. With Python, creating powerful, efficient CLI tools can significantly boost your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. In this video, we'll explore how Claude, a cutting-edge tool, can further enhance these tools, making them smarter and more efficient. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the importance of CLI tools but also have the skills to build your own, integrating Claude's capabilities to revolutionize your workflow.
CLI tools, or command line interface tools, are programs that allow users to interact with the operating system or software applications through text-based commands. They might seem old school, but they're incredibly powerful for automating tasks and handling complex operations without the need for a graphical user interface. Popular examples include Git, Docker, and AWS CLI, which are vital in development and deployment workflows. Python, known for its simplicity and readability, is a preferred language for building CLI tools due to its extensive libraries and frameworks. In this segment, we'll delve into the core benefits of CLI tools and why Python is an excellent choice for developing them.
Enter Claude, a cutting-edge tool designed to augment your Python CLI applications. But what makes Claude stand out? It's an AI-driven platform that provides natural language processing, machine learning capabilities, and smart automation features. By integrating Claude into your Python CLI tools, you can create applications that not only perform tasks but also learn and adapt over time. Imagine a CLI tool that understands user preferences and optimizes operations automatically. We'll explore some examples of how Claude enhances CLI tools and why it's a game changer for developers looking to push the boundaries of automation. Before we dive into building our CLI tools, it's crucial to set up our Python environment correctly. Start by ensuring that you have the latest version of Python installed. Next, you'll need to install the necessary libraries, such as argparse for command parsing and request for API calls. The star of our setup, however, is the Claude API. Installing Claude is straightforward with a simple pip command. Once installed, you'll need to configure your API keys and any other necessary settings in a configuration file. This preparation will ensure a smooth development process as we integrate Claude into our CLI tools. Now that our environment is ready, let's create a basic Python CLI tool. The first step is understanding the structure of a CLI tool. We'll use Python's argparse library to handle command parsing, allowing our tool to accept user inputs through the command line. Start by defining your main function and setting up argparse to handle commands and options. Implement a few basic commands to see how it all works together. This segment will guide you through writing and running your first CLI tool, laying a solid foundation for integrating more advanced features like Claude.
With your basic CLI tool up and running, it's time to unleash the power of Claude. Begin by connecting to Claude's API using the requests library. Make sure to handle authentication properly with your API keys. Once connected, experiment with fetching data or performing operations through Claude's API. Integrate the returned data into your CLI tool, enhancing its functionality with AI-driven insights. We'll also cover how to handle common API errors gracefully, ensuring a robust and reliable tool. By the end of this segment, your CLI tool will be smarter and more capable, thanks to Claude. An essential aspect of CLI tools is how they interact with users. Designing a user-friendly interface starts with effective input handling. Validate user inputs to prevent errors and ensure smooth operation. When it comes to output, clarity is key. Use Python's libraries to format output with colors and styles, making it easy for users to interpret results quickly. Providing helpful feedback and error messages can significantly enhance the user experience. This segment will guide you through best practices for handling user input and output, ensuring your tool is not just functional but also delightful to use.
Testing is critical for any software development process, and CLI tools are no exception. Python provides a robust unitas framework that allows you to write and run tests to ensure your tool behaves as expected. This segment will explore setting up unit tests for your CLI tool, focusing on testing individual components and functions. We'll also cover common debugging techniques to troubleshoot and fix errors efficiently. For developers aiming for professional-grade tools, we'll touch on automating tests and integrating them into a continuous integration pipeline, ensuring your CLI tool remains reliable and bug-free. Once your CLI tool is developed and tested, it's time to deploy it to the world. Packaging your tool for distribution involves creating executable files that can run independently of Python. We'll explore tools like PyInstaller to achieve this. Sharing your tool with the community is easier than ever with PyPy, Python's package index, allowing others to install your tool with a simple pip command. Effective version control is crucial for maintaining and updating your tool. Finally, we'll discuss best practices for writing user documentation, ensuring users can easily understand and utilize your CLI tool.
Congratulations on reaching the end of this video. You've learned how to build powerful Python CLI tools and integrate Claude's smart capabilities, enhancing your development productivity. As technology advances, the potential for smarter, AI-driven CLI tools grows, offering exciting opportunities for automation and innovation. I encourage you to experiment with the concepts we've covered and continue exploring the vast potential of Python and Claude. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and let us know what you'd like to learn next. Stay tuned for our upcoming video on advanced Python techniques.